Hi, I'm going to talk you through a tutorial on how to use the MODU-WIDTH stereo-widening plugin. First of all, I'm going to go through each feature and talk about how it can be used in regards to how the plugin works. So first of all, we have an input section here, which can choose whether the input takes a direct mid-side already encoded signal, or whether it takes a stereo signal and encodes it to mid-side. I'll choose stereo here because the track we have playing in the background is stereo track. Second of all, we've got a mode switch here. We can either choose to manipulate one full band, the full track, using this one stereo-widening control. The right adds the width, getting rid of the mids and adding more side components, while going left will add more mid components and taking away side components. Down the bottom here we have a modulation section, which has small but wave type selections, an on switch with a mod amount and frequency slider. If we switch to the multiband mode, we now have 3 separate multibands, which we can manipulate individually. So for example, one might want to keep the lows a bit more mid, so we can still get the kick and bass coming through, while we can manipulate the higher frequencies and middle frequencies to spread wider. Up the top we have a crossover frequency selectors, which let us manipulate what crossover bands these parameters are working at. We can solo these to have a listen to see which ones we're doing. So here is the low mids, where you can see the frequencies coming down, so maybe we just want under 250 getting manipulated by the low width controls. We can then solo the highs and see what it's doing. Maybe we want 5000 Hz on the highs, so now we have our crossover points of 250 Hz for the low to mid control and 5000 Hz from the mid and high width control. We can solo the mid one as well and see what it's doing. We then also have each control has its own independent LFO. So here we can activate the low, and selectable wave type as well. We can then go ahead and activate the high one. And if we select high here, we can now choose its waveform, its amount, and its LFO rate. And if we wanted, we could also have the mid on as well. If we select mid here, maybe choose sine wave for it. Lastly, we have our output section. We can choose whether to output the signal mid-side, where each speaker has its independent side to it, so the mid will come on the left and the sides will come on the right. Or we can completely solo the mids, or we can completely solo the solos. I'll keep it on stereo just now. We then have the ability to change the phase of each track and a gain slider. So I hope that helps, and that's a very quick tutorial on how to use the MODU-WIDTH stereo-widening plugin.